I have brand new freak flash phenomenon footage to share with you guys, starting off in Cleveland, Tennessee. Lisa, January 13th of 2025. This video has a narration. Here we go.
I know people have been making videos in different parts of the country with parking lot lights doing that. I am in Cleveland, Tennessee. This is at our North Walmart. It is Monday, January 13th. It's approximately 6:30, and there's only two that are doing that. And you can see the rest of them are not. So it's not the whole parking lot, it's just those two. But I thought that I would go ahead and record that and possibly send it in.
Great job. Yet another example of this mysterious phenomena that's sweeping the earth. Legendary Super Shannon. Not sure of the location. The video's from this month. Like a lot of these videos that we're seeing of these flashing lights, this video has narration as well. Here we go.
Just wanted to record this real quick. I've yet to see the street lights going nuts. There's some. Never seen that before.
Had never seen that before. They've seen the video footage of the flashing street lights, parking lot lights. That was their first time actually seeing them in person. Going over to Barry, United Kingdom. This video also has narration sent in by Jason. Here we go.
Right, tonight we're in Bury. These yellow lights are supposed to flash. They're the pedestrian transit lights. That one there, however, is receiving the signal and directly behind it on the building, completely unconnected. See? Completely unconnected. Then over there, we've got a third one in Colorado's. See it? And then just to the right, you've got one there. Atherton House. Athenium House, sorry. And then, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got two more. One there, right where I'm stood. These are supposed to be solid. That one's broken, that one's broken, that one's malfunctioning, and they're supposed to be solid like that.
Video number 3, going to Sugar Creek, Missouri. More mysterious flashing lights. Check this out. Amber, 9/15 of 2023. And I wanted to share this video, even though it's from 2023, it's from September of 2023. It's not cold. Probably 50, 60 degrees the time this video was taken. There's some speculation going around that the lights are malfunctioning because of the very cold temperatures. Well, this video was taken when the temperature was well above 50 degrees. So I don't believe it's got anything to do with the cold temperatures. I've seen many winters. I've been involved in temperatures well below zero for many Januaries and many Decembers, and I've never once seen lights behaving like they're behaving right now around the world. This video here is sent in by Brian Shafarik, not sure of the location, from January 2025. Driving around, noticing the flashing lights. Just completely mystified. Look at this. Driving down the road, look at the lights flashing. Never seen anything like it. Video number 5, going to Cleveland, Ohio. We've been to Cleveland, Tennessee. Lupe Collins, January of 2025. Cleveland, Ohio. These lights are blinking all the way down the street. Look at that.
Get both the lights. You only got one. All the lights down the street do it.
I don't know.
They too had never seen anything like it. Guys, I've got many more videos to share with you guys that I'm working on of this mysterious flashing light phenomenon that's sweeping the globe. I'm putting together a map of all the locations that I personally have received video footage from, and I'll have that done here in a couple of days. And I've also got many more videos to share with you guys that I'm currently working on from Texas, Pennsylvania, Idaho. I believe I've got more videos out of Ohio, Tennessee. The flashing light phenomena continues, and it is in full force.